Welcome to the zip-slip live exploit video. I'm Simon Maple, developer advocate at Snyk, and I'll demonstrate how zip-slip, a critical arbitrary file overwrite vulnerability, can lead to a remote code execution vulnerability. I'll be using the Java Goof application, a vulnerable demo app that you can clone and play with at github.com/snyk/javagoof. It's a simple to-do list application written in Java using struts and Spring in the back end. I've already deployed this application into my Heroku cloud instance, as you can see here. I'll go ahead and sign in, and you can see my to-do list is remarkably empty. From this front page, I can perform numerous tasks, such as creating new to-dos and uploading files. Let's first create a new to-do. The form requires a title, a date, and a priority. Let's go and have a look at the to-do class in the code. We can see that where we set the title on the domain object, we make an invocation to native to ASCII. This performs a call to the JVM script of the same name to convert any content into an ASCII format. This JVM tool will be the target of our exploit. As I'm so very British, let's start off by making some tea, and we can set a deadline of the zip-slip disclosure date and a medium priority. Once created, we can see from the logs that the native to ASCII tool has been invoked. Now let's create another to-do, this time eating some pie, but our pie will be a non-ASCII character. Now straight away, you can see the ASCII representation of the pie character, and if we look to the logs, you'll see the native to ASCII tool being invoked, as well as the conversion which took place. Next, let's show you the upload and unzip functionality. The code behind this feature uses a popular Java library that performs the archive extraction on our behalf. We simply need to invoke the unpack method, passing in the archive and the target directory on our file system, which is the public directory in our application. From the website, I can see there are no files currently in the public directory, so we can go ahead and upload a new zip file. I'll select the zip-slip.zip file from the file navigator, but before I upload, let me show you what's inside it. We can see there's a good.txt file and also a file with a load of .. entries that clearly has the intent of traversing outside of the application's public folder. This file will traverse up to the root directory and then try and overwrite the native to ASCII file in our JDK. Cheeky! The new native to ASCII file simply returns some text to show us that we've been attacked. Back to our application, we'll upload this file. We can straight away see the good.txt now exists in our public directory, but there's no sign of the native to ASCII file. So let's create a new to-do to see if our JVM files have indeed been overwritten. We'll create a new zip-slip task, et voila! The native to ASCII JVM tool has been overwritten by zip-slip, and we've forced a remote code execution. Be sure to look through the research pages on the snyk.io website. Thanks for watching.